Let me just tell y'all, man, having the wind and snow blow in your face really sucks. And that's a PSA, live from the water. Ugh. What's up, guys? Well, it's winter and I'm actually taking the kayak out over there. We're getting out on the Lake Michigan for some winter time. Hopefully some lake trout, maybe some coho as well. Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. Cabin fever got to me, decided I wanted to get on out here, and we do have some open water, which is good. We're gonna make the most of it, and hopefully we can get onto some fish. So welcome to the channel. I think this might be the first time I've kayak winter fished ever, or in a long time. And by the way, I got a new kind of setup here with a new mic. It kind of pops into the picture right up there because it's really long. It's a little bit of a boom mic, so I apologize if it gets into the field of view. You know, just kind of fine tune some things, upgrades for the 2021 season. You can see the marina, the launch right here. I'm ready to go, so let's get out in the water. You know, I'll be honest with you, I don't have too high of expectations out here today. I'd be happy with one fish. I'd literally catch one fish and then just wrap it up and just leave and just enjoy the rest of my Saturday in the warmth of home. We're right outside the mouth of the inlet, and now that we're on the main lake, you know, right outside the mouth of the inlet, water temps at 35 degrees. Yeah, 35. Not marking as much fish as I did back in the inlet. But yeah, we're gonna troll around here, in and out of the mouth, along some of these break walls, and see if we can't pop something. Met up with a couple of buddies, so we are with the buddy system. They're out here. Shout out to Phil and Phil's and Will. We're out here as well, and we're mostly all trolling cranks right now this time of year. Cranks is the best bet, and you can cast them, you can troll them, and jigging, vertical jigging. You know, once you spot some fish in the bottom, if you have spot lock or if you're able to, just kind of sit on top of them, just vertically jig them up. See if you can get them that way. Fish on, fish on, fish on. There we go. That didn't take too long. I just dropped this back. Fish on! All right. That was not long at all. I just dropped the lure change. Alright. It's gonna be a coho, I can feel it. Alright. Change the color. That's what it worked. Let's get him in here. My hands are so cold. My hands are so cold. Still on? Yep, still on. There he is. There it is. We'll both flip them in. Can we both flip them? Kinda. There it is. Oh no, it's a brown trout. There he is right there. Whew. Nice little guy. There you go. Oh, wow. Wow. I just put this lure down. Small flicker, white with a red tail. If we get hit on it again, we'll switch out lures and go from there. We put it about 35 feet back. Let's pick up the troll. My hands are freezing. My hands are absolutely freezing. Oh man. Whew. All right. Hey, we didn't get a skunk. We didn't get a skunk. I might lose a couple fingers from it being so cold, but we didn't get skunked. Fish on, fish on, fish on. There we go. There we go. Not big. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. reel. Keeps opening up on itself. Okay. Let's see what we got. Could be another brown. I feel it swirling around everywhere. We're starting to put the pattern together, guys. We're starting to put a pattern together. Where's it at? I don't see it yet. There it is. Oh, looks like another brown. Yeah, these reels are from the cold, man. They're all right. There it is. It's a bigger one. This is why I don't like dealing with browns. All I want to do is jump around everywhere. There it is. Another nice little brown. Good eater size. Oh. All right, buddy, chill out. There it is. Nice little brown. Huh? Winter, Lake Michigan, year round. There you go, buddy. Thank you. I don't want to touch the water. I'm going to slide my pants up. All right, we got something together. We got something together here, guys. Fish on, fish on. There it is. Fish on, fish on. That's probably another brown. Oh, it's so cold, y'all. It's so cold. All right. This one out. Oh, I could both flip them again. Come here. They're smashing it. There it is. This is there we go. That little guy. I'll throw him back. Oh, we dialed him in, guys. There's no doubt about it. We dialed it in. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for me. I'm trolling back in. I'm freezing. Spent about 3 hours out in the water. We got 2 browns and a nice coho. Couldn't get on some lake trout. Tried to, but just not marking enough out there to really target them vertically jigging. So yeah, man, winter time kayak fishing on Lake Michigan. It can't be done. I think I got snots running down my mouth here. I'm pretty numb. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this adventure out here. This, I think, might be my second time fishing in the winter on Lake Michigan out the kayak. It's doable. Just be prepared, man. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up. It helps your boy out, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Peace out.